Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are alright and nobody is panic selling, because I have a strange feeling. I have a strange feeling which I had maybe last year in June, July, somewhere there, when we were expecting Bitcoin to just go down, drop 60% more, and we can enter the bear market. And I said then that I wouldn't be that worried and I wouldn't call bear market yet. And this is the same situation. Today in the morning when I opened Twitter, I could see that a lot of announcements from projects about partnerships and launches and new products, so on, so on. More announcements than tweets from the crypto community. Also, we have very big news, and those are very important because everything points towards the fact that the Bitcoin price was brought down a bit in order to make sure that these bigger whales companies can enter easier, cheaper, and they can take Bitcoin from the people. So before we start, obviously, if you didn't hit the subscribe button yet, do it now because you help me a lot. And at the end of the video, if you like the content, smash the like button because that also helps me a lot, making the channel more popular. So Bitcoin is at the 41,900. We are dipping down to the 40,000 once in a while, but it's not too scary. It's more like boring. Everybody is starting to get bored. Now, a couple of things are happening. For example, the tax year, the end of the tax year is coming, so some more sales will happen because people, for example, in the UK need to sell some coin in order to pay their tax. Otherwise, they would need to pay the tax anyways. What is going to happen? What is happening in the world? I'm not gonna go with the trading analysis because I don't think it makes much sense. But Intel's Bitcoin mining bonanza mine chip backs first big customer. Now, Intel said that they are gonna make another Bitcoin miner, which is a low voltage chip, and it will consume less energy and it will be as productive or as efficient as the other one. And they already made a contract, and that contract will be fulfilled in May 2025. Now, Intel is not a small company, and I think they regretting a lot, let's say, leaving out this opportunity like from 5 or even 2 years ago. Because if we want to check Intel's stock price, which is this, and if we compare it to Nvidia, for example, let's just say this one is this flat line is Intel and this is Nvidia. Nvidia has a plus 6,400%, and that is all, not all, but mostly because of the Bitcoin miners. They had very big sales, and that pushed the stock price up, and Intel wants to join, and as they can see that Bitcoin is staying, and probably they asked around at the government as well, because believe me, these big companies, they are not too far away from the government, from the lobbyists, from the senators, so on, so on. So if they want to go all in, not all in, but if they want to join, and if they commit for such a big investment and commitment, why wouldn't you? Next one. Microsoft reveals Activision purchase for 68.7 billion. In the last 40 years, this was the biggest purchase of Microsoft, and this is because they want to be active and be the first and the best in the upcoming metaverse. Now, you can be sure that Microsoft will integrate crypto, because if they don't, then nobody will play these games, because we will have much better playing to earn games. Maybe not better games, but play to earn games. And I think we talked about that a lot of times, why it's that important. Next, Google cards to store Bitcoin and crypto. Now, Google banned the ads from YouTube about crypto for some time, and then I think in summer or in autumn they said that okay, now we allow crypto ads on our platforms, and now they want to integrate crypto in their wallet. Probably they also want to have some crypto, and probably they will shuffle around some Bitcoin. And as they can see that there is a requirement from the people, and I guess they could see it through PayPal and through Strike, then they decided that okay, we should also do something, and they also hired PayPal's, I don't know what executive director as director or manager to integrate the crypto coins into the Google Pay card. Yeah, it's pretty obvious. And by the way, this is from yesterday. Okay, let's go forward. Why I am not worried. CryptoQuant is an on-chain data. It's something like Glassdoor, but CryptoQuant shows you more for less money, or shows you more for free than Glassnode. Therefore, I just switched to CryptoQuant. If you want to check it, it's cryptoquant.com. Yeah, it's pretty good. This is on-chain data, and this is the exchange reserve of Bitcoin. As you can see, there are some bumps, but in general, the reserve on the exchanges is dropping. People are buying the Bitcoins or the coins from the exchanges, and they are sending it out from it. And that is obviously a good sign. In the end, with the FUD, with the news, with everything, if there is no supply and there is demand, that is what will push the price up. So I'm very happy to see that, obviously. Let's go forward, because I do also have some news which I brought for you, and that is Next Earth. Next Earth is launching their native token, the NXTT, and you have 2 days to sign up for the KIC in order to get some coins. If you go nextearth.io and Launchpad, which is this one here, and you will be able to see the tiers. Now the tiers are based on for how long are you in this community. If you bought Next Earth tiers, not tier styles, and you will be in one of these tiers. It's from 1 to 5, and 1 is obviously those who bought the biggest one, and they are here for the longest, and they will have a vested account, but they can also buy very cheap. It will be like $0.305 per token. Now I will be somewhere tier 4, yeah, tier 4, because I did not spend at least $1,000 on the Next Earth tiles, but I will still get the tokens for 1 cent, 1.25 cents. It doesn't matter. I will buy some. I am thinking now about investing in with a bigger amount, but we will see. Not financial advice, obviously. Now, in order to get some tokens, you need to do a KIC. As you can see here, KIC is pending for me. It's the same thing as every time. You showed your ID, your proof of address. What else? I think that's all. They will just ask for your address, and you have to complete a couple of things. It's not too complicated. If you bought some ties on Nextearth, if you want to invest in the NXTT token, then you need to do the KIC first. And on the 22nd of January, there will be a commitment of how much money you want to invest, how much money you want to buy NXTT tokens. So yeah, be vigilant. I will come with another video maybe tomorrow or on Saturday. However, I'm not promising it for Saturday, because I'm gonna be skiing. I will have my laptop there, and I want to make sure that I can commit with the amount I want to buy. But if you don't do the KIC, then there is no chance. First of all, complete your KIC, because that's the most important. Last thing which I wanted to mention is about crypto memories, and they're doing some sneak peeks. They are revealing a couple of things, couple of designs. If you want to become an angel investor, or you just want to buy some NFTs, which is about the memories of Bitcoin hitting certain levels like 20, 30, 40, 60Ks, and it's not going to be just a graph. It's going to be a very sophisticated design with some news, what happened at those times, and what were the highlights of those moments. Then you should join the Discord channel, and you can find it in the description of this video. So let me know if there is any problems. We are also on Discord. If you have any questions, go there and ask the questions, and we are trying to help as much as we can. Thank you for watching. If you like the content, smash the like button, and I see you next time. Take care.